Welcome to the French Made Easy podcast, where I give you all the basics you need to speak French clearly and confidently. I'm your host, Mathilde, and I'm a French teacher, mompreneur, and bread and cheese lover. Join me as I dive into all things French for beginners and deliver to you bite-sized, easy-to-follow lessons every Tuesday. Let's get started. On commence. Bonjour à tous. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the French Made Easy podcast. Thanks for joining me here. This is episode number 50, numéro 50. In this episode, we're doing a bit of conjugation. You learn how to use my favorite French verb, manger, which means to eat in the present tense. So first, I'll share with you the conjugation of the verb, manger. Then I'll give you some examples. Sounds good? Great. So as usual, make sure you download your lessons cheat sheet. It's free. After the lesson, it's time to practice. Head over to the French Made Easy library where you can download your lessons exercises and it's also free. Now, vous êtes prêts? Are you guys ready? On y va. So let's dive into the conjugation of the verb manger, to eat. So, can you please repeat after me? Répétez après moi. Je mange. I eat or I'm eating. It's the same thing. Je mange. Tu manges. You eat. Tu manges. And don't pronounce the S at the end. Il mange. He eats. Il mange. Elle mange. She eats. Elle mange. On mange. We eat. On mange. Nous mangeons. We eat. Nous mangeons. Attention here, common mistake. When you write it, don't forget the E between the G and the O. Otherwise, well, that's incorrect. Nous mangeons. You don't say it, but you write it, okay? Next, vous mangez. You eat. Vous mangez. Ils mangent. They eat, masculine. Ils mangent. Elles mangent. They eat, feminine. Elles mangent. And again, don't pronounce the ENT at the end. Okay, perfect. Now let's see some example of the French verb manger conjugated in the present tense. Je mange du chocolat. I'm eating chocolate. Je mange du chocolat. Tu ne manges pas avec nous? Aren't you eating with us? Tu ne manges pas avec nous? Il mange beaucoup de fruits. He eats a lot of fruits. Il mange beaucoup de fruits. Elle ne mange pas assez de légumes. She doesn't eat enough veggies. Elle ne mange pas assez de légumes. And by the way, here I'm using the negation, but if you can't remember how to use it or you're not too sure about it, then go back to episode number 36 where I teach you how to build negative sentences. Okay, next one. On mange quoi ce soir? What are we eating tonight? On mange quoi ce soir? Nous mangeons souvent au restaurant. We often eat at the restaurant. Nous mangeons souvent au restaurant. Vous mangez vers quelle heure le matin? Around what time do you eat in the morning? Vous mangez vers quelle heure le matin? Ils ne mangent pas de viande. They don't eat meat, masculine. Ils ne mangent pas de viande. Or in the feminine, Elles ne mangent pas de viande. They don't eat meat. Elles ne mangent pas de viande. Et voilà, that's it for the examples. So that brings us to the end of our lesson. Thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to download your lessons exercises by clicking the link in the episode notes, and make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any new episode. And if you are enjoying the podcast, then I really appreciate a quick rating and review on Apple Podcasts. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt. Hey, it's me again. Before you go, I just wanted to let you know that if you are struggling with French pronunciation, I am excited to announce my new and free beginner's audio guide. It's called 5-Step Roadmap to Effortless French Pronunciation. It's really designed to simplify your French pronunciation journey and to make it less overwhelming for you. So if you are a beginner starting or restarting to learn French and you want to improve your French pronunciation, then this audio guide is perfect for you. And obviously, you'll also get a transcript with the audio guide so you can follow along while you listen. So click the link inside your podcast notes to access your audio guide. It is free. À bientôt. Bye.